Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content revolving around technology. We believe in transparent reviews. We want to hold companies accountable for the claims they make. This video is not sponsored. Today we are unboxing the new Intel Arc A750. When you open the box, you see the beautiful matte black GPU. At the top is a little thank you card from Intel and some important information that we will probably trash without reading. Now let's look at this beauty. It is a nice looking dual fan graphics card. It has two power connectors, one 8-pin and one 6-pin. It also has 4 DisplayPort outputs. It is nice and slim but does have some weight on it. According to Google, it weighs around 2 pounds. You can see it says limited edition on the side, to make you feel special. There was a secret compartment underneath the graphics card in the box that led us to nowhere. Let us know if you have a golden ticket in yours. We will link Intel's website down below for you to check out more specs about this Intel Arc 750. Let us know in the comments below if you are excited to see us test this beauty out. Subscribe if you like our content to help us keep going, and we will see you in the next one.